creators, how are you today? How are you today? How am I today?
We're all good, and I'm sure of that. Mira has always been about bringing y'all closer to art. So, in today's video, we are going to cover 5 most important things that you need to get started with your pencil sketch. So, let's get started.
So the first thing that you need in a pencil sketch is of course the pencils. What we have here is a pack of Faber-Castell pencils which are at 30 rupees. You get HB to 6B. HB is your regular writing pencil and 6B being the darkest. We would recommend you to use 2B, 4B and of course HB. This will help you cover a range of lightness to darkness. The next thing that you require is something what we call the stumps. Now what is the use of the stumps? Stumps are used for you to do blending. Some people use their fingers and some people use cotton. We'd really recommend you to use stumps. They are also two-way, so you can use them both sides. Stumps again come as a pack of different numbers. We would recommend you to use 2, 3 and 5. Then the next thing that you need are erasers. The one that we're showing first is the regular eraser that you have. You can use any good brand. We use a non-dust one. This one is from Apsara. It really helps you to erase out the larger surface areas. Then something that is very essential to a pencil sketch is this flexible eraser. It's called a putty eraser, P-U-T-T-Y. Now we'll show you the functionality of it. The beauty of a putty eraser is you can really bend it around and play around with it. For example, if you want to do the pupil of an eye, then you make a very conical sharp edge and erase only that area. Or if you want to shade the bark of a tree, then you make a more flatter, linear surface and then accordingly shade your tree. So this really helps you define the shading elements of your paper. And then lastly, of course, paper in a pencil sketch is fairly important. Most paper types are conducive for a pencil sketch. They need to be a smooth surface without any granules. We'd recommend you to use something between 80 to 130 GSM. This one here is 110 GSM. So this is all that you need to start your pencil sketch. Thank you for watching, and we hope this was really useful for you.
If you have any comments, let us know in the comments section below. Like, share and subscribe, guys. Send us some love. Bye, creators!
Bye, creators! Mwah, mwah.
It's not a makeup video.